Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all fit and fine. Yesterday we have discussed chapter number first, definition of set and representation of a set. So before doing exercise 1.1, left 2 pages for basic terms in your register. Clear? I hope exercise 1.1 you will start in your register. Now we discuss some difficult questions of exercise 1.1. In exercise 1.1, question number 3, first and second questions are very easy. Now question number 3, write the following sets in roster form. We discuss third question, third part. Question number 3 and third part, set C is equal to X such that X is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number such that sum of digits is 8. In this set, we write only those numbers whose sum of the digits is 8. Then numbers are, first number is 17. First number is 17. 2-digit number, only 2-digit number. Here is a 2-digit number, 17. Second is 26, 35, 44, 53, and 62, 71, and last is 80, 80. This is 2-digit number. Clear? 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers in set C. This is the set middle form and this is the roster form. Now D part, second, fourth part of third question, set D is equal to X such that X is a prime number. X is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. In this set, we have to write only those numbers, only those prime numbers which divide 60, which are the divisor of a 60. Divisor of 60 are divisor of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, and last is a 60. These are the total, all the divisors of a 60, and we write here only those numbers, those prime numbers which divide 60. Here prime numbers are 2, 5. There are only 2 prime numbers, 2 and a 5. Then D is equal to set 2, 5. Now you can solve all the parts of third question. Now question 4. Question number 4 we have discussed. What is the fourth question? Fourth question, third part. In this question, write the following sets in set builder form. We have to write the sets in a set builder form. Third part, let set A is equal to 5, 25, 125, 625. These 4 numbers are the powers of 5. This is 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 3, and 5 raised to power 4. These are the powers of 5. ये सभी 5 की पावर्स हैं, 5 की पावर 1 2 3 4। देन दिस कैन बी रिटन एज इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म a is equal to x such that x is equal to 5 raised to power n. These are the powers of 5 raised to power n, and value of n is from 1 to 4. n is a natural number and 1 is less than equal to n less than equal to 4. This is the set builder forum. This x represent all these 4 numbers. This x represent all these 4 numbers. X is equal to 5 raised to power n. If n is 1, if we put n is 1, we get 5. If we put n equal to 2, we get 25. If we put n equal to 3, we get 125. And we put n equal to 4, we get 625. Then n lies between 1 and 4. Or n is a natural number. N is a natural number from 1 to 4. Now, fifth part of this question, let set B is equal to 1 4 9 dash 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 up to 100. This B set contains 1 4 9 16 25 dash dash up to 100. These are the squares of first 10 natural numbers. ये क्या है बेटा? These are the squares. ये squares हैं किसके? फर्स्ट 10 नेचुरल नंबर्स के. ये 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, and this is a 10 square. Then we can write B is equal to x such that x is equal to n square. X is equal to n square, and n is a natural number from 1 to 10. n belongs to capital N, means n is a natural number, and n lies between 1 to 10. n lies between 1 to 10. This is the set builder forum. This is the roster forum. Now, question number 5, you can solve all the parts of 4th question. Now we start question number 5, second part. Question number 5, second part is list all the elements in the following sets. Set B is equal to x such that x is an integer. X is an integer. Minus 1 by 2 is less than x less than 9 by 2. Less than 9 by 2. बेटा इस सेट में आपको सिर्फ इंटीजर ही राइट डाउन करने हैं. वे इंटीजर लिखने हैं आपको इसमें जो -1/2 से ग्रेटर हो और 9/2 से लेस हो. x लाइज बिटवीन -1/2 एंड 9/2. क्लियर? दिस इज द नंबर लाइन. दिस इज द नंबर लाइन 0 एंड दिस इज इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी. 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to infinite. -1 -2 -3 -4 up to infinite. 1 2 3 4 5 6 -1 -2 -3 -4. -1/2 here is -1/2. 9/2 here is 9/2. This number is -1/2. This is a 9/2. -1/2, and we have write only integers between these two numbers. Between these two numbers, we have only write integers. Then integers are here. Integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then set B contains 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4. There are only 5 numbers in this set. 5 elements 0 1 2 3 4, because these 5 numbers lies between -1/2 and part. Fifth question, sixth part. F is equal to x such that x is a consonant. Consonant in English alphabet. In English alphabet, which precedes K, which precedes PRE, which precedes K. F said X and X is consonant. Here X represent all the consonants. Here X represent all the consonants in English alphabet which precedes K, जो K से पहले वाले consonants हैं। यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ वो consonant राइट करने हैं जो K से पहले आते हैं, precedes K। Here X represent, X उन सभी consonants को represent करता है जो K से पहले हैं। Then in this set we write B. A is not a consonant. A is not a consonant. A is vowel. But we have write only consonant. B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are consonants which precedes K. K से पहले consonants बेटा आपके B, C, D, F, G, H, J. There are only 7 consonants precedes K. K से पहले 7 consonants हैं. फिर vowels आपको यहाँ पे राउट डाउन नहीं करने, vowels नहीं आएंगे यहाँ पे, because F said X such that X is a consonant. X is a consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. K से पहले वाले सभी consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are the consonants which precedes K. Clear? Now you can solve all the questions of exercise 1.1. Now start some types of sets. Types of sets. There are some types of sets. Types of sets. Number first, empty set. Number first, empty set. Empty or void set. Void or null set. These all are same, meaning same. Empty set, void set, null set. A set having no element. A set having no element is called a empty set. Empty set. A set having no element, जिस सेट में एक भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, उस सेट को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? एम्प्टी सेट. एंड एम्प्टी सेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय 5. एम्प्टी सेट को आप किससे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 5 से. ये दिस इज अ सिंबल, दिस इज अ सिंबल टू रिप्रेजेंट एम्प्टी सेट. दिस इज 5, PHI 5, 0 and cut the 0 by a line. This represented 5, and 5 is equal to a set which has no element. 5 equal to a set which has a no element. जिस सेट के अंदर कोई भी एलिमेंट नहीं है, उस सेट को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं 5 से. उसका नाम है बेटा एम्प्टी सेट, नल सेट और वॉइड सेट. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन, फाइनाइट सेट. Finite set is set having finite number of elements. Finite number of elements is called finite set. Is called a finite set. For example, let's set A 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a finite set because there are Set B, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is also a finite set. Set C, number of students in your school. Number of students in your school. This is also a finite set. These are the examples of finite set. What is a finite set? A set having finite number of elements is called a finite set. Clear? This is a finite set. Now infinite set. Infinite set. Infinite set. A set having infinite number of elements. A set having infinite number of elements is called a infinite set. जिस सेट का infinite uncountable numbers हैं उस सेट को क्या बोलते हैं हमें infinite set. For example, set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers is a infinite set. Is an infinite set. Natural numbers are uncountable. Second, set of points on a line. Set of points on a line. On a line there are infinitely many points. On a line there are infinitely many points. Set of points on a line. किसी भी लाइन के ऊपर points infinite होते हैं. Clear? Third, set of points. Set of points in a plane. Yeah, set of lines. Set of lines parallel to a line. Parallel to a given line. Parallel to a given line. Set of line parallel to a given line. बेटा दिए line आपके पास, this is line. There are infinitely many lines which are parallel to this line. Infinitely many lines. This line, these. These are the lines which are parallel to this line. Then this set is a infinite set. Clear? Infinite set. Now next is a singleton set. Next is a singleton set. S-I-N. Singleton set. Singleton set. Name से clear है single. Singleton word. Singles. Word से क्या है singleton. Single. A set of having only one element is called singleton set. A set having only one element is called a singleton set. For example, set A 5. This is singleton set because there is only one element 5. Set B is equal to Y. This is also a singleton set. This is also a singleton set. Set C M. This is also a singleton set. A set having only one element is called a singleton set. Clear? Now next is a cardinal number of a set. Next is a cardinal number of a set. Cardinal number of a set. What is the cardinal number of a set? Cardinal number क्या होता है? Number of elements in a set is called a cardinal number. Number of elements in a set is called a cardinal number. Number of elements, कितने elements उस set में is called a cardinal number. For example, let's set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 9, 15, 17. What is the cardinal number? 2 3 4 5 6, then cardinal number of this set is a 6. Cardinal number is a 6 because there are 6 elements. Cardinal number is represented by n of a. n means number of elements. n means number of elements in set A. Clear? Cardinal number is denoted by na. Understand? Now next is equivalent set. दो सेट्स हैं इक्विवेलेंट एंड इक्वल. इक्विवेलेंट सेट टू सेट्स A and B are said to be equivalent if they have same number of elements. Two sets, दो सेट्स हैं A and B are said to be equivalent set if they have same number of elements. If they have equal number of elements. If they have equal number of elements, not same, equal number of elements. For example, let A set A is in 1 2 3 4 and set B is in P Q X Y. Let this set is A, this set is B, then there are 4 elements in set A as well as in set B. These two sets A and B have equal number of elements. There are 4 elements in set A and 4 elements in set B. Therefore, these two sets are equivalent. And equivalent sets are represented by A is equivalent to B. Now, equal sets. Equal sets two sets A and B are said to be equal. Two sets को A और B को equal कहेंगे. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if they have same elements. दोनों में elements same हैं. If two sets A and B are said to be equal, if they have same element, for example, let set A equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B is 3 4 1 2, then these two sets are equal because elements in A and in B are same. Two equal sets are equivalent, but equivalent sets are not equal. Two equal sets are equivalent. अगर दो सेट इक्वल हैं तो इक्विवेलेंट होंगे, but it is not compulsory that equivalent sets are equal. Equivalent sets are need not be equal, but equal sets are equivalent. Clear? These are the definitions. Tomorrow we start exercise 1.2. So write these definitions in your register where you write basic terms and learn these definitions carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.